this is Misty with Wild Keeping Moms, and today I'm going to show you what comes in the do-it-yourself mineral makeup eyeshadow kit, which I sell on Etsy. Here's what it looks like. Okay. So in this kit you'll get a color wheel. The color wheel is really vitally important for figuring out what colors to mix together to get the color that you want. See, here it shows you if you mix this color with red, you get this color, and yellow, blue, white, and black. So of course you can turn the wheel. So obviously if you mix yellow and red together, you'll get orange. You'll also get the eyeshadow base, quite a large bag of eyeshadow base. It will last quite a long time. It's very important that you have this because you can't just use a color, you have to have the base to go with it. The color won't stick, it doesn't have the right ingredients to use by itself. So you'll also get the colors. You'll get a cool red shade, a warm red shade, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black, cream, and pearl white. You'll also get the mixing cup. It comes with a lid. And that's what you'll mix your base and your color in. You'll get a stirring stick. This is just a wooden stirring stick. You'll get 2 mini scoops, but very tiny. I use one for white and one for colors. You'll get 5 clamshells. These clamshells are lovely because they open flat, so they set down very nicely, and they're perfect for using when you want to do the foiled look that you add with water, or if you're using your eyeshadow, like say you make a black eyeshadow and you're using it for your eyeliner, you would put a little bit in the lid with a little bit of water and mix it up. And then you can just set it to dry, or you can wipe the lid out with a little bit of tissue before you close it up. You'll also get 5 sifter containers. The sifter container has this little insert in it that has these little holes, and once you peel the sticker away, of course that'll be open then. But that just helps when you tip it over, getting ready to put your eyeshadow on, then just a little bit, just the right amount will get in there in the top so that you can use it. Also, in the Etsy shop, you can purchase these things separately. You don't have to purchase the kit. If you don't need the containers and you don't need this stirring utensils and mixing utensils, you can just get this. Or if you've gotten the kit before and you've run out of a color of something, then that's available too. You can just purchase the blue by itself. Or if you've run out of base, you can purchase the base by itself. So now I'm going to show you how to make one of the recipes that comes with the kit. The color of this recipe is called Sugar Plum. So for this recipe, we're going to need 2 scoops of base. You're going to want to make sure that your scoop is level. Make sure it's not rounded, nice and level. Make sure you tap it out to get it all out before you dig in for more. Okay. Now we need 5 scoops of our purple color. And 5 scoops of our red cool shade. Now we'll take our stirring stick and stir it up. Now you'll notice there's lots of white flecks in there, and that's because of our base. Let's see if I can get you there. There we go. There's a lot of white in there, so you're going to want to mix it until there are no white flecks left. If you try to apply it, your eyeshadow, while there's still flecks in there, what's going to happen is you'll end up with a blank spot on your eyelid from the white. You want to make sure that it's all mixed up, smush it against the sides, make sure it's all good. Now the last ingredient we're going to put in is our pearl white, and we need 1 scoop of pearl white. And we'll mix that in, making sure to get all of it mixed in so there's no white. Okay, and that is just the sweetest shade. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll put a little here, maybe you can see it. I put it on pretty thick so you could see the color. Now you can apply this straight like that, or you can apply it foiled. It's up to you. Now I'm going to show you how to make eyeliner using the same kit and the same ingredients. I'm going to start with 3 scoops of base. And then I'm going to add 6 scoops of the black color. Then our stirring stick. Now I'm using a glass container to mix this in today because I found that the plastic containers make quite a bit of noise when you're mixing. And it's going to take a little longer with the black to get all the white mixed in. Okay, that's not quite black enough for me, so I'm going to add a couple more scoops. And this is the way things are going to go for you too. While you're learning how to make it, you'll discover that if things need to be darker, you'll add the black, and if things need to be lighter, you'll add a little bit more base. There we go. And then when I apply that, I'll use the clamshell, put a little in the lid, a little bit of water, and use my eyeliner brush and apply it foiled, and it will stay on very well all day long. And there we go. Now you could add a little bit of pearl to it just to give it a hint of shimmer. I think I'm going to add just a little bit, not even a whole scoop, because I don't want to lighten it up, but I would like to make it a little pretty. There we go. It looks a little gray on the video, but it is black from where I am. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.